All right, squad. She finally has arrived. Like, I've been waiting for this unit, and it finally came. You've already probably seen reviews on her already from everybody, but I finally got her, and it's Miss Morgan. All right, she's from the new What Lace collection from Sensationnel. So let's open her up here in this fancy schmancy packaging. So I could have gotten her earlier, but I couldn't decide on which color to get. I was just going back and forth for like a couple of days trying to decide which color to get her in, because they released these, I don't want to mispronounce this, but I probably am. There's a new way to do highlights, and this is flamboyant. So they have different flamboyant colors, and so I couldn't decide which one I wanted. I thought they would have them on here, but they don't. But I went ahead and got the flamboyant gold. So this is the care card. Okay, and it's all about that. It's hairline illusion lace wig. So it's already pre-plucked for you. You shouldn't have to do anything with it. It's a perfect hairline and includes baby hairs. So you should just be able to put it on, protective style, no leave out necessary. It's a 13 by 6 parting, ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand tied lace. Of course, it's Swiss lace. So it's supposed to be an undetectable hairline. So all of you out there who don't like to pluck your wigs or don't know how to or what may have you, this should be the perfect unit for you and for everybody. But I'm just saying, for those who really don't like the plucking and everything, then she should work out very nice for you. Okay, so she comes with the 2 combs kind of close to the temple area, so not too far back. So I don't understand when they put the combs, you know, all the way back here. Like, how am I gonna put those in? Okay. Then it comes with the comb in the back with adjustable straps. She feels like she's got some room in there, you know. I've noticed with the frontals, most of them are pretty big head friendly, except Model, that Fable. Even though I love Fable, she's not big head friendly. Okay, so this is the gold color here. So it's kind of like in the back area, a little bit through here. So I think it's a gorgeous color. You know, it's still that dark color for fall, but it gives you some, you know, something extra. That little, yeah, I'm fall, but I'm sassy, I'm cute. So let me go ahead and cut this lace off and get Miss Morgan on my head. All right, so let's put Miss Morgan on. There are 2 other units, I believe, that are part of this collection, and I want the other one because it's a curly unit. But I got, these last 2 units I got have been straight units because Mini-Me stole my other 2 ones. So I needed 2 to replace them. So, yes. All right, so let's get Miss Morgan situated on the head here. Yeah, she's pretty big head friendly. Yeah, she comes all the way down, so that's good. That's good. So far, so good. I mean, yeah, look at that hairline. I can already see it. I'm just gonna comb her out just a little bit. She feels so soft. But just so you could see the parting on her, I mean, she has excellent parting space. I mean, you can really go all out. Really go all out on her. Lace, just be careful with this lace because they do try to give you like a natural hairline. So the hairline is kind of wiggly, if that makes sense. It's not across. So just be mindful of that. Okay guys, so what I ended up doing was I just removed my stocking cap because it was just showing through. This is just the color of the lace right there. This is, that's how the color of the lace comes. So this is a look just with, you know, no baby hairs out. You just plopped her on your head. I didn't do any additional parting. Like, this is just how she naturally fell. I do have to confess that I ended up leaving because I ended up leaving to go have the birthday breakfast, so I didn't do any additional styles. So this is me being gone for about 3 hours and then hopping back on here. So after about 3 hours of wear, I do get some tangling on her in the nape area, but she still feels soft. I mean, my mom was touching her. It's the first time I think she's touched my wigs, but she was running her fingers through and she's like, is that human? And I'm like, no, it's not human. It is synthetic unit. And she's like, it feels and looks real. So I'm like, yes, it does. But she does get snags, so as you can see. But I mean, they're easily, they come out easily. Oh gosh. But yeah. I still wish she was a little fuller. Like, let me find the stock card. Because on the stock card, she's gorgeous. I mean, look at the way she falls, you know, to the side on her, and the way the curls are. That little, because there's a little bump in the front. It just looks really pretty. I don't know. It looks thick. And it doesn't, I don't know, just to me doesn't look the same. But, and the curls aren't falling the same. Maybe I need to part it the way she has it parted. And it could be the color. A lot of times when you do the color units versus the natural units, I feel like sometimes things look different. Our wigs, not things, but the wigs look different. I haven't laid any baby hairs yet, so this is just me showing you how the unit looks to show off that natural hairline. And I told my mom, like, this unit would be great for her. It's probably too long for her, so I would have to customize the length. But I feel like this is a great first wig for someone because, again, you don't have to pluck the hairline. Like, they did all that for you. All you have to do is cut the lace. And if you're not sure how to cut the lace, I'm sure you know somebody that can cut the lace for you. And that's it. Like, you don't need to do anything else to her. Just cut the lace off and maybe not wear a wig cap, depending on how it looks underneath your head. Okay, so this is her to the side. I mean, look at that. She parted beautifully, easily. Boom, done. So you can see the flip a little on this side. I'll back up for you guys. You can see the flip a little bit. But I feel like the flip was more defined on that natural unit, but I don't know. But this is her parted too with the right side part. And I kind of like how she's falling like that. And to keep her like that, you can use some hairspray. So that's really pretty. So this is her with the right side part. So you already saw the middle part. And I don't know if I pulled back the hairline for you guys, but look at that hairline. One thing about this unit is you can see the knots. So, like far away, it's okay. But with a lot of light on there or up close to somebody, you can definitely see the knots. And because she's not a human hair wig, you can't bleach the knots. So, maybe adding some powder to her or adding your concealer underneath might help with that. So might help kind of eliminate, not eliminate, but kind of hide and conceal. Like, I don't know how it looks on camera, but in person, like this looks blended. Like it looks like it is just melting to my scalp. Guys, this, what they're advertising for the natural hairline, they have nailed it. Like this looks so natural. And I hope it's coming across like that on camera because this looks awesome. Like this looks so amazing. The only downside, the knots are showing. Like if the knots weren't showing, this would be like here's perfect. It would be like right here. Like that's how good this unit looks. I'm gonna think of a hairstyle to do for her. Alright guys, so this is my final look for Miss Morgan here. I know this video and the one before are probably going to run a little bit long, but I really want to show you guys the versatility of these units to inspire you to create different looks with them. Of course, you can do the traditional middle, left, right part type style, but in case you want to have a little bit of fun, you know, it's the holiday season, so you know, you can change up the look a bit. So I did some twists and added some hoops accessories to my twist. If you're a braider, I'm not a braider, but if you're a braider, then you can definitely, you know, braid the unit up, create those looks. Of course, you can do the traditional top knot. You can do the half up, half down. I mean, she's a 13 by 6. There's a lot you can really do with her. So I didn't do baby hairs. You know, she does come with baby hairs. They are in there. They're not excessive baby hairs because I can barely see them. So I think they will look very natural. They won't be too thick. They are about, you know, about this long. So if you don't like this length, you definitely can shorten them up a bit. But they just blend like really naturally with the unit and the hairline. So yeah, you can use them or you cannot use them. So I decided in this video to actually not utilize the baby hairs. I really wanted to see if I could pull off a natural hairline look, just showing my own natural edges, baby hairs, if that makes sense. So I think she looks great. So you guys, you know, closer, let me know what you think. Overall, I do like Morgan. There's just a few cons to her that I'm not on board with, but in general, overall, she's still a pretty decent unit. She is silky. I don't think I mentioned that. She does have a silky texture to her, which could be why she's snagging so much, because she is so silky. But I don't think I mentioned that earlier in the video. So, and she is a little bit shiny. Because she's silky, she does have a shine to her, not like a natural shine. So you could just spray some some dry shampoo on her to try to eliminate some of that shine on her. And then of course I will also use the wig conditioner on her, because even though she it says she's 100% premium fiber, which is why she's really soft, I would still put the conditioner on there just to prolong her life, because she is $50. If you get the color, I think I paid a little extra because I got the specialty color. I think it was either $2 or $4. I can't remember how much you pay extra for the specialty colors. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off here, guys, because I had breakfast. I had pancakes and syrup and apple juice, and the sugar is hitting me right now. So I'm trying to fall asleep on camera, and I missed pretty much the majority of the Texans game, so I'm gonna catch up on that. And then the kiddos and I are gonna get into some trouble doing something. So all right, if you have any questions, comments, you know what to do, just leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you like Miss Morgan, give her a thumbs up. I think I still want to try the curler unit just to compare the two, see how they are. I want to try another one of the specialty colors, so I'll pick up a different one and see how I like that. So, we done? All right, guys. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.